Well, this is waterproof, so I really wouldn't.
Oh, I know what you're doing.
Somebody showed me a video the other day of a sprinkler system going out in the chemistry room. What was that?
No one in here.
Nobody in here.
I know if you take a lighter and flick that by a sprinkler, it'll go off.
That would do it.
Wait, try it.
I hope this
Do
does
you know how these sprinklers work?
There's a little thermometer, red thing.
Yeah.
I thought there was some metal in there that has a low melting point. And so if it gets hot enough, the metal melts and the circuit gets completed or something, or the water's allowed to flow. I don't know. Something like that.
That's probably
Something like that. What I'm doing is I'm just letting a lot of this ethanol vaporize, and that means turn into a gas. Ethanol is a pretty volatile substance, so it turns to a gas pretty easily. I'm just trying to get lots of good vapors in here.
Vape Nation.
I'm gonna set it down here.
It depends on how they have it hooked up. Because the mailing has the building sectioned out.
Let's try it.
Let's say the mailing has.
How loud is this? How loud? Yeah. It's gonna go. It's gonna go.
Can we put my hand over it next time?
Did you guys hear or see
I saw
the
it.
ceiling tile
No.
go up?
Do it again. Wait, the tile move?
The tile moved.
Yeah, dude.
Did it really?
Yeah, I did.
I was bringing a bot, not on the
My
people.
older brother says that a chemistry teacher actually blew a couple ceiling tiles up.
Mr. Sievertson?
Yeah.
Oh, do you know how he did that?
I don't know, he never told me.
Just added more to them.
Maybe with flour? We'll do a flour tower explosion later on in here. So what'd you see happen?
Ignited.
It ignited, so the fumes ignited, and what else?
It combusted.
Combusted? There's a liquid down in here. What do you suppose that is?
Water?
Water? Why might it be water?
Because you said that makes
It's a
water.
product.
It's a product, right?
And I bet you can't drink
Yeah,
it.
drink it.
It's probably not pure water. There's probably some ethanol that didn't quite react.
Burn it
That's
again.
mixed in. I'm willing to drop another match in, except when I've done this earlier today, sometimes I can't get it to go out. Then let's see what we do. It's watery enough that it's not going to ignite. What about the loud sound that you heard? The whoosh.
That was it leaving.
Rapid expansion of heat, or the gas inside rapidly expanded as it heated up, and then.
It was going through a smaller.
Okay, so you said it. What do you mean by it?
Yeah.
What gas?
Vapor. I don't know.
Carbon?
CO2.
CO2. CO2 is the other product, right, Dorian? Is that what you were thinking? So CO2 had to escape rapidly, and we had the gas leaving the container because it was heated up and under higher pressure. So that left the container. And then there was also another gas involved.
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Tell me about what you think the oxygen was doing.
Maybe.
Okay, allowed it to burn. There was some oxygen inside here, but there was also oxygen out here in the air. What are you going to say, Chance?
I was gonna say, like, when you dump a water bottle upside down and it kind of does that like chug thing.
Mm-hmm.
That's why it was like making those different popping noises.
Doing chugging up
because
here.
the oxygen was trying to go in.
Yeah, we had carbon dioxide leaving, and oxygen was getting sucked in, or not really sucked in, but oxygen was going in to continue to allow this to burn. And yeah, I think too that's what some of the chugging was about.
We do with that.
Do it with what?
Mountain Dew can. You say yes, I'll chug it.
Yo, we should.
Is there any reason why it wouldn't be a good idea?
Because it could
I
explode.
don't know, it's maybe
Shot
can, it
nuclear
could
gold all over the
explode,
place.
but that's what that thing's for.
You know what we should do with the can though? You ever seen that experiment where you put a little bit of water in there and then you heat it up really hot and then you flip it upside down and drop it in cold water?
We'll do that.
Yeah.
But can we?
I'm willing to try that. I can't see any reason not to. Like, it's not unsafe or anything. I told some other classes today that this is an experiment where sometimes things go wrong. Teachers use something called methanol instead of ethanol, and methanol is a little bit more reactive than this stuff, a little bit more dangerous. And then they might not be using one of these blast shields, and sometimes stuff will like blow up and spray people, and yeah.
You don't need that.
So that's what always runs through my head when somebody's like, "Can we blow something up? Can we try this?" I just think, well, what's the risk involved? I think putting some ethanol in a pop can and dropping in a match, I don't think that's it.
I tried to get it
I'll
all
wipe
out.
this up later.
Is that what they use to breathe fire, you know, and they like,
Yep, except they use vodka oftentimes, which this is the alcohol in alcoholic drinks.
So what if you just took the match and dropped it in the bottle?
Well, what would you think would happen?
I don't know. I don't want to try that.
I'll put it behind the wash.
probably die, to be honest.
Well, if it's like gasoline, it wouldn't burn for very long.
No,
Probably
because
blow
of
up, but
liquid, it has to
yeah,
burn up.
as soon as it hits the liquid.
I don't want to have a lot in here the first time I do this.
Of what?
What? That's boring.
I've accidentally blown stuff up right underneath my projector.
That's why I don't use projector.
No, that's why I just look as to what's up above me. The match fell on the outside.
We get the point.
There you go. I wanted to try a little bit more.
Like, you can get the match inside this time?
Try to get the match inside.
We need to do like a lot more so we can get a more of a.
A bang. More bang for our buck. See, this is why being a chemistry teacher is fun. You get to
Try anything.
blow stuff up.
I'm okay with safe explosions.
Yay.
You ever done can, right?
We haven't.
Come over sometime.
It's tricky because I don't want to put my face right over the top of this and drop it in. What would I say? Okay, one more.
Just
Because
water.
the whole bigger, because I got to get the match.
But now there's too much water in there though.
You see, but what if we had a can inside of the water jug?
Inside what?
A can inside of a water jug. Then what?
Can wouldn't fit.
Can you put more in
What I
there? There
said,
wasn't any
what
in
if?
there.
Oh, it's
Oh my gosh, it's gonna do the same thing, just low.
Are you not entertained?
See?
yeah. Okay.
Oh.
I didn't make
Thanks
any
for trying,
promises
though.
that this was going to be cool.
Can you load some
Can I drink it while it's burning?
Yeah,
Probably.
actually.
It's like that one drink that they make, the
Yeah.
mixed drink with the shot glass, and you gotta drink it while it's on fire.
It's in all
So
the
that's
spam-
why I know that.
it's in those spam videos, if
Wait,
try
can
to do it,
you-
and they get it in a-
Yeah, 'cause